With close to 1,300 suspected cases of cholera, Zimbabwe has heightened its response systems to contain the spread of the disease. Today, the country's Information Minister, Van Muswere, announced a number of new measures to curb the spread of cholera. He was speaking during a post-cabinet media briefing in the capital earlier today. Some of the new measures include engaging religious leaders of sects that are resisting preventative measures. To date, cholera has claimed over 50 lives since the onset of the outbreak in August of this year.
During the period 9 November 2023 to 15 November 2023, there were 1,259 new suspected cholera cases reported, compared to 437 cases reported in the previous week. That intensified risk communication and community engagement, including involvement of religious and local leadership, be intensified.
Let us look at some of the key issues that emerged from today's post-cabinet media briefing.